So, hi guys! Ito yung second day namin dito sa US. And then, dumating kami kahapon dito sa Seattle. Like 1 p.m. Huh? Alright. And then, sobrang lamig. Hindi pa masyadong malamig kagabi, kahapon, pagdating namin. And then, right now, the time here is like, hold on. I feel like it's 9:45 a.m. Tapos guys, my goodness. Naka-bonnet na ko. Meron akong pangloob na jacket, and then t-shirt, and then thick pa na jacket. Tapos naka-gloves pa ko guys. Nakapantalon pa ko, tapos may inside pa ko na liquid. Sobrang lamig.
You want me to get bottles of water out for you and Jerry?
Yeah, maybe one each of us.
Okay.
But maybe I don't like cold.
Well, it's been out in the car. It's gonna be cold for a little bit, but
Okay.
it'll warm up in the car.
All right. So yeah, we're here in Seattle. It's too late for us to drive back home when me and my son arrived yesterday. So now we're heading home at Kennewick, Washington. Tapos yun na nga guys, sobrang lamig. Yung anak ko,
This in the cup holder.
thank you. Yung anak ko feeling niya sanay na siya dito, feeling niya okay lang sa kanya yung lamig. Pero ako guys, nanginginig talaga ako, sobrang as in nanginginig talaga ako. Parang feeling ko kailangan ko ng 3 panloob, tapos 2 panlabas na jacket and pants. Sobrang lamig, it's freaking cold, my goodness. Maybe what's the temperature today?
3 degrees.
Fahrenheit, right?
3 degrees Celsius.
3 degrees Celsius, pero sobrang lamig.
37 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Sobrang lamig, guys. Sobra. So, bye.